Today I'm sharing with you how I prepare this lasagna with Irish potato. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 1.5 kilo of potato. First, I'm going to peel off the back, then cut it into tiny pieces. So here our potatoes are ready, and it's time to show you how you are supposed to cut it. Here my potatoes are clean, so this is the desired shape that we are looking for, because we are going to light them on a pan. So after carefully cutting all the potatoes, now we are going to boil it for about 10 minutes. And you don't want your potato to be overcooked, so I'm going to cook it about 40%. Here I added a little bit salt. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Please don't overcook your potato. As you can see here, my potato is still a little bit hard. It's about 40% cooked, because we're still going to put them in the oven. Today I'm using sunflower oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. So I have my onions in the pan, then I'm going to be adding my grounded meat. Now it's time to throw in my spices. I have bouillon powder, paprika, salt, and a bit of chili pepper. Mix everything together, and I'm going to add my blended tomato. Cover it and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then we'll come back. So here is 10 minutes later. Now I'm going to add in my carrots, garlic, and a bit of rosemary. If you don't want to add vegetable, you can skip this part. Stir it together. Our minced meat is ready. Then we are going to prepare cream for the filling. So here I have a bit of olive oil, and I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir it very well to avoid lumps. Then we are going to be adding cream. Stir it very well. And we are going to be adding heavy cream. At this time, you are going to continue stirring it to avoid lumps. Here I'm still going to add a bit of spicy to give it a very good taste. So I added bouillon, salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Now that our cream is ready, I'm going to carefully arrange the potato in a pan together with the minced meat and add the heavy cream on top. And I'm going to repeat this process until everything is well arranged. Then take it to the oven and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Then I will show you the result in the end. So here is the end result. I added a bit of mozzarella cheese to top it. So this is 30 minutes later. Our lasagna is ready. So let's try it together. You are going to love this one. Let me know if you will be trying this. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.